and welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by annualpools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew, and we are the Joan Crawford and Betty Davis of pools. The question goes as such. Do you recommend a bypass for my pool heater? Rob?
I absolutely do, but before we get to the reasons why, let's explain what the bypass is. The bypass basically gives you the ability to bypass the heater. And it's within your plumbing, it's real simple. So take, for example, on my pool, on the return side of the filter, I have a three-way diverter valve. One line goes back to the pool, the other line goes through the heat pump. So that's where you could divert it. And then on the return side of the heat pump, you have a check valve, so water can't back up into it. So if you want to totally close off water from flowing to the heat pump, you just close that valve. And but the reasons why you would want to do that: number one, you want to avoid the wear and tear on the heater. You know, there's several months of the year where you don't need it. So why run water through it constantly? It's like running your car all the time. You don't want to put all those miles on it and have to take it into the shop.
Don't want to idle it.
Exactly. So, and then there's other reasons. If you're doing a chemical treatment, maybe you have to drop the pH level low, or you're super chlorinating it. You don't want that running through your heater and damaging your heat exchanger. So yeah, number one, avoid wear and tear. Number two, if there's an issue with the heater, let's say the exchanger springs a leak, and you want to avoid that. You don't want to keep running water through there and your pool water drain. So you'd be able to divert water away from the heater. Third, these heaters and heat pumps, the new ones, they do have maximum flow rates, a lot of them. And if you have a 2 or 3 horsepower pump, you might be pushing too much water through the heater. So the bypass will give you the ability to throttle down the water that runs through the heater, and so it'll stay on. But those are the main reasons why you want to add a bypass to your pool heater.
And if you slow down that water, gives the water a little bit more time in the heat exchanger,
Yep.
makes the heater a little bit more efficient,
Exactly.
To heat the water.
Yep.
So I actually got something to say
There you
in
go.
that one.
Wasn't planned, but you got it in there.
Daddy gets a paycheck today. If you have any questions about pool heaters or anything pool and spa, please visit us over at annualpools.com. And as always, thank you for joining us. Bye.